Confusing adjectives and adverbs. Let's clear the air. Hello, language learners. Today we are going to focus on a very important part of English grammar, adjectives and adverbs. More specifically, we are going to discuss common errors that often occur when using these two types of words, and how to avoid them. So, let's get started. Adjectives and adverbs are descriptive words. Adjectives describe or modify nouns. For example, a beautiful garden, happy kids. On the other hand, adverbs describe or modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. For instance, she sings beautifully, quite interesting. He runs very quickly. Many learners confuse adjectives and adverbs, mainly because in some cases they can have the same form. However, their usage differs significantly. Here is a common mistake. She looks beautifully today. The correct form is, she looks beautiful today. Why is that? Because the word looks here is a linking verb, not an action verb, and linking verbs should be modified by adjectives, not adverbs. Linking verbs, like be, feel, look, smell, sound, taste, appear, seem, and become, connect the subject of the sentence to information about that subject. They are followed by adjectives instead of adverbs. For example, the soup tastes good, not, the soup tastes well. To avoid confusing adjectives and adverbs, be aware of these common mistakes. 1. Incorrect, I feel badly. Correct, I feel bad. Remember, feel is a linking verb. 2. Incorrect, he looks angrily. Correct, he looks angry. Here, looks is a linking verb. 3. Incorrect, you smell nicely. Correct, you smell nice. In this case, smell is a linking verb. That being said, it is important to use adverbs when modifying action verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. For instance, she moved quickly. Quickly is an adverb modifying the verb moved. Or, it is incredibly interesting. Incredibly is an adverb modifying the adjective interesting. In English, adjectives and adverbs play crucial roles. We hope this video has helped clarify the common errors when using them. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using these rules in your daily English conversations or writing, and soon, distinguishing between adjectives and adverbs will become second nature to you. See you in our next video.